Welcome. So today we're going to go over how you would remove this door panel to be able to get in there to be able to fix different pieces. Being if you need to replace anything in here, these are your window regulator switches to go up and down, or if you got anything in here, and to be able to get access to the mirror. But we're going to go over how we go ahead and remove this panel. So you need just a regular Phillips screwdriver. And we got 3 screws, one here, one in this hole here, and one right here. So just go ahead and remove those. And then this you'd want to pop off. I got just a plastic trim remover. You can use a screwdriver, but just kind of pop that top, and then you can. There's a clip up here you want to get under and pop, and then you can be able to just kind of pop this up off the top. You could leave it as one piece, but just kind of pop it set it aside. Then you're going to want to work your way around because there's clips all the way around. Take your same tool here and just work in. So we've worked our way around with the tool, popped all the clips off the side. Then we need to pop this off. And then there's an electrical connectors here. Just squeeze them and unhook them. Right there. And we happen to have 2 more screws here, which are just a regular P2 screwdriver. Gun on those, then you should be able to just pull up from the bottom, remove the door. You know you're going to have right in here is the door handle and the locking mechanism, and you've got these color-coded deals that go inside. They go in here, and then you twist them to the back, and then lock them in place. And so they'll sit there, and that's how you'd undo those to be able to get the door panel off. Now that the door panel has been removed, we can get in here, and we have access to all these things that we need to do inside here. Thanks for watching.